All right, good evening, everybody. It's 5:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, and we're going to take a look at a few things. First off, let's take a look at our NOAA 8 to 14-day temperature probability map. And so basically, it's cold in the east, but this is it's a warmer look. It's a downgrade from the cold we're going to be seeing the next a week and a half. Because again, let's take a look at our 6 to 10 day outlook and take a look. So this is extreme. So obviously, it's going to warm up a little from what it looks like, in the medium range for the USA in the east. But again, that can all change. I love to say that because all of these things can change instantly in the snap of a finger, because that's just how weather works. It's always bound to change. For example, the CFS V2 model predicted a warm December, and it ended up very cold. It predicted a warm January, and we might get most likely we'll get a colder than normal January. And ironically, it's doing the same thing for February, where it's starting to cool down much of the nation, especially in the north. So again, the models were just too warm, it looks like, this winter. Taking a look at our NAO, it's a negative, which is a good signal for cold, and a cold and snowy pattern across the eastern half of the USA. And let's take a look at our pivotal weather model for the next 15 days, taking a look at our snowfall outlook. And one second, getting to the snowfall. Total snowfall in the next 15 days. Here we go. This is going from now until January 16th. And again, it has a big snowstorm across the Ohio, Indiana, Illinois, parts of Arkansas, Nebraska, and just the Midwest in general may see a snowstorm for this time frame. So we want to keep our eyes on that. And that would occur, let's see, we're going to go to hour 63 to hone in on when this would occur. And we're going to hone in a little bit more, go to hour 45. And so here's where the storm develops around January 5th. So this would be in 2 days from now. So this is pretty much short range forecasting. So the track might change a little bit, but just to give you a look at the general accumulations from the storm, this is what it looks like right now. So anywhere from Cincinnati, Ohio, getting in on about 6 to 12 inches of snow. It looks like Indianapolis, Indiana, also picking up on the heavy swath of snow. And any of these areas in the dark purple and the violet magenta color may see some good snow out of this. So again, the track is subject to change. It could change either, in my opinion, I could see this going either north or south, slightly 50 miles north or 50 miles south in the next 24 to 36 hours. We'll have to monitor that, but it does look likely that we will see a snowstorm for the Midwest in these areas where it's highlighted in purple, anywhere from Ohio to Indiana to Illinois and to Arkansas. So again, we have a lot of factors that indicate we will have a cold and snowy January, and that's what it looks like, even though the modeling said we were going to have a warm January. It's very interesting because a lot of these models were predicting a warmer than average winter, and it's actually looking colder than average. And that's also ironic because we haven't had a really cold winter for about at least 5 years. It's been, the last one I remember was 2014 and 15. So it's been a while. So all right, guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day and take care.